Yes! That was awesome! Hello everybody, welcome back into another video. And today we're playing Jailbreak. And in this video I'll show you what will happen if you ride an ATV into the sky with rocket fuel. Now we're just gonna start off right now. We're on, I think this is the highest hill. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna fly into this area over here. So let's just set out ATV. Guys, this will be fun. Not gonna go yet. We're just gonna we're gonna start right there. You can see. Okay. Gonna jump off and I'm just gonna say thank you. And this is not a VIP server, so sorry. I just wanna say I hope you like my new intro. So guys, we only have a little bit. We're gonna use all of it for you guys. I wasted Robux for you guys to watch this video. What if you ride an ATV into the skies with rocket fuel? So let's get right into it. Let's see what happens. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, no, we're not gonna do it right yet. Okay, we're gonna do it right now. Oh! Look at that! Oh! Look how far we... Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Guys, I have no idea what's going on. I just flew to... What is going on? I'm like glitching. I don't know what just happened. I just used my rocket fuel. What just happened? Okay, I used it all for you guys. We might just do it again. Yes, we're doing it again. So we might get ready to do it on that mountain. Because that was just epic. We just flew across the world. Oh my. Well, let's try to get over there. I don't have any... Oh! I couldn't catch that criminal. But guys, I was on level 4 engine. Not level 5 though. I think I had enough money for level 5, but I didn't want to get it. I'm so sorry. But I did get level 4, though. It was really cool, so we'll be back once we get to the other hill. Okay, guys, before we go to the hill and get more rocket fuel, I'm just going to tell you guys this. Last time... This was just a meteor just stuck on the ground. Just fire next to it. Now it's just glowing purple with purple stuff all around it. I don't know. But guys, it's so weird. I don't know what just happened. Is this like an alien? Some YouTubers say like alien infestation. Yeah, I think so too. This is just so weird. It's just like growing. I don't know. Well, hold on. Let's get some rocket fuel and go to this mountain right there with our ATV. See you later. Whoa, this is a glitch. You know what? We might get on that hill. So I have my rocket fuel right now. Got 50. I only have 4 Robux left. Yeah. We might get on this. Maybe, I'm sorry, maybe in another video we can, but I don't have enough Robux. So we're just going to try to get to the top of this. I'll tell you if we can, or we might not get to the top. Okay, I tried a couple times and nope, it did not work. So what we'll have to do, whoa, my ATV is wobbling so much. I'm going to go on this hill right there. I'm going to go there. And please, Asimo, if you can just make, you just hold E to refill the rocket fuel. That would be better, because then you can only have 50 when you start off at it. Then you gotta buy more and more. It's just really stressful, though. So a lot of people don't have Robux. So if you can do that, that would be really good. Okay, guys, we're here. We're just gonna look at the top of this. Let's go to the top. We're not gonna write it there because we're only gonna have a little bit of space. So we're just gonna drive up to there, and then we're just gonna use a rocket field. This is gonna be awesome, guys. So I'm just gonna show you the view of it. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Okay, let's get in this and let's get to it. No, I will not say coming soon. No. No, I might make a trailer that says the trailer of The Last Bacon here. I got inspired by Oblivion's HD when he made The Last Guest. So I'm gonna make The Last Bacon here. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, we got it. It's like this, okay. We're going up again. Oh, whoa. Okay. What? That wasn't as fun as last time. Last time it was really good. We're really stuck. We're really stuck to video at 666. Nope. Okay, look at the top right corner. There's only one police officer, and that is me. What if there's no police officer? Hold on, we're just gonna go check that. Okay, we're a prisoner, no police officers. There's just like no police officers. That's just whoa. What the? It looks like a test server, but it's not. So I'm a prisoner. We're just the only people. That's just like whoa. So people are like, why did you change the subject? I'll tell you why. Well, because I don't live in a group. Do it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. No, we're not gonna have the video. Even nope. Oh, guys, comment down if you like the intro. Why won't it open? Open! Okay, there we go. Run. Okay, I'm gonna try to become a criminal, and then we're gonna see what happens. Okay? Oh, yeah. We're gonna go to this hole, and we're gonna see what happens. Where it says, you got bags. No, we did not. So, it's gonna change back into a police officer. Yep. Okay, guys. Like, everyone's a criminal. I can't get anyone. Also, there's an ATV glitch. You gotta get to at least 3, and then you can start. You have to go backwards though to go up hills. Yeah. I'm gonna go try to arrest people. I'm gonna go unpause it when I see someone. Yeah. Oh, I saw someone. He just disappeared. I don't know where he went. I think it just froze. Yeah, I think it did. Come here, wherever you are. I know where you are. Oh, I see someone right there. Will I get anybody tonight? No! No, come back! Thief! No, why did I even say thief? That didn't make any sense. So starts a big robbery. They're gonna get... Whoa! Well, okay, guys, I don't think that's a... Hi! Hey! No. No, I died! Oh no, what if he gets key card? I think he got the key card. Oh no, that's not good! Let's go try to get him again. At least somebody. Because look, I'm the only police. What am I gonna do? Also, guys, make sure to join my group. I only have one member, which is me. Also, I made 2 shirts. Enigma official shirt. You might be saying, wait, your name is Loco. I'm gonna change it to Enigma HD. That's just a shirt name. And I might make I love mom. I love dad. Cause I already made the I love mom. I'll go show you the 2 shirts. This is the I love mom with the cool wrist thingies. And then over here it shows moms are the best. Yeah, they are. And I love mom. Yeah, moms. Moms, if you're watching this now, moms, you are really good. You're special. You made your babies. They should be proud that they have a mom like you. Moms are special, especially dads. Dads and moms are special. 2 of the most important things. Both are very, very special to the child. Yes, they are. Okay, back to the video. Okay, some people left. Not much. I have the highest money though. Only 26,360. I have 5,000, but I made my ATV a lot of money. Let's go get my ATV. Okay, there it is. Oh, hit a tree. We are. Okay, I'm at my ATV. Make sure to lock it and put it in my pocket. Hey, I'm just here walking around. Driving around. Yeah, I'm just driving around, patrolling all the places. I'm just gonna go to the garage. I'm just gonna go show you what just happened. Guys, look, it's a Jailbreak is dead now. Ooh. I think it's because there's only a couple of people. Look at the top right. Oh no, almost everyone's gone. I see someone. You're gonna die today. I'm so sorry, but... Yeah. Come here. Ah! Oh! Oh! Hello there. Die! Ah! Help! 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 But what if I just... Oh. Oh, yes! Yeah! Oh, okay. Okay, then. Okay, I'll get you 2 later. Okay? I'm coming! Better watch out. No, we're not gonna put it there. Oh, not. Okay, let's just lock this. Hey, I found the perfect spot. Okay, just go on. I'm just gonna. No. No. Okay, this is gonna be the easier way. Jump on that and jump on that, jump on that, jump on that. Oh, whoa, that's transparent. Okay, and I'll get them. But it might be paused. So I'm just gonna pause it for a little bit. Okay, I was really close though. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. Help me tonight, or I will break. No, no. No! Oh my gosh. You got me, good job. So, what do you think, guys? Oh wait, did it break? Hello? Okay, is it still broken? I don't know. Hello? Okay, guys. Yes, we're back, I think. Okay, let's just duck. No, you'll never get me alive. I'm gonna try to arrest him, guys. I think we can do it. No, you got me! No! At least no one's saying bad stuff about me. Oh, only 2 people are playing. Look at this. Only 2 people playing. Will they die? Okay, someone got the bank. We have to go to the bank. Bank time. We gotta go before he gets the money. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I don't think we can make it. I mean, it takes a long time for it to explode. Here we go. Still 2 people. No one's joining. How sad. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, my heart is like sinking because they're really good. Did it get... Oh, they're not there. You guys, maybe we can do it. Maybe we can't. Maybe we can't do anything. Ready? Yes! Did I do it? Wait, what? Ah! You gotta get me! Oh gosh! So good! You can't get me. I'm just gonna follow you. Follow you. I'm just gonna follow you tonight. I'm just gonna keep on following. You can never get me. I know where you're going. Are you kidding me? What are you trying to do? He's doing the changa. Sometimes I can just really arrest you. No! Did you get that on camera? Oh no! Let's reset. Let's try to get to the top. I mean, they're getting really a lot of money. Like, this is what I do like about this game. Like, when I reset, it just brings me to the same place. Like, see? You can't even look at this. Okay, we might just end the video at 20 minutes. So we're just gonna pause this and try to get. He stole jewelry. Are you kidding me? Okay, so helicopter is not there yet, which is sad. I hear a helicopter. Was that from me? Oh, don't know. Binoculars. We need that. Oh, okay. I thought it was gone. Let's look into the binoculars. Kind of helps, not really. It zooms in a tiny bit. Ooh, paycheck, 2,000 cash. Really did good. Okay, we're just gotta wait for $1,000. I'm just gonna get money. Yep. Let's see if we can see them through these. No, I can't see them. I can see myself though. Okay, we got the helicopter. We're just gotta find where Snurk is. Oh no, that's not him. Jibber Jabba. I think that's him. We just gotta find him. Because I don't know where he is. He's not robbing anything. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm going to put on an ID music right now. Hey! You just did that? Are you kidding me? Bad person. Why'd you do that? I mean, seriously though. Really think you can catch me? Nope. Nope. Yes, I got you. Right on 20 minutes, I think. That was Jibber Jabba. If you trim, you get more money. He said that. No. Okay, I don't think I need to worry about a snirk. Also, you know what that means when it's 20 minutes. Okay, guys, we're just gonna go to the highest we can go and then jump off. Guys, this is the highest. Ready? Okay! Oh, guys, I did. What is this guy doing? Glitching through walls? I'm gonna go get him. Okay, I'm going to become a prisoner right after he... Okay, oh. Okay. Oops. Okay, you're just gonna pick me up, I think. And yeah. Bye guys, see you again. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the like button with your head as soon as you can. Yep. That's how hard and mad. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I see you again very, very soon. Bye. Yeah, I said bye. Oh, what's going on? Bye.